Hey everybody, it's Charlene with Roadrunners, and I'm here in Atlanta, just off the Cumberland Mall. This is the Hampton at Cumberland, or on Cumberland, and this is room 400, which is a nice king, and facing the Cumberland Road out there. And we've got a nice little desk area. I did get my water and such today, and the gentleman who checked me in was quite nice and receptive, so better than last night. And of course we have the shower. Yay, I love a good shower. So I've stayed here before a few years ago when I went to the Travel and Adventure Show here, I think in 2018. So it's been a little while, but hopefully they'll have a nice setup today too. So looking forward to spending the day over there tomorrow and helping out my friend Teresa. So I hope everybody's having a terrific Friday, and the traffic in Atlanta is bad as usual.